Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will tell you how you can add or the remove your search console access. So if you're wanting to give your search console access to the someone, so in this video I can explore all the things practically. And if you're wanting to remove any already added user, so you guys can also do the same thing. So now we can start. First thing, you can open your search console and you will see in the left corner that you can scroll something and you will see there is a setting button. You can click on this and you will see there is a second option, user and the permission. You can click on this and you will see if you have added already user, so how you can remove user. So firstly, if I wanting to remove a second one, so you can click on the three dot and there is a two options. So either you can remove access, either you can change the permission. So you can do the same things. So you whatever you wanting, you can do the same things. And if you wanting to add a new user, so you will see there is a add user button. You can click on this and there you can put the person email address. So suppose I can wanting to give access for this Gmail, so you can copy the, you can ask for the Gmail and you can put it here, your Gmail, and you will see there is a three option. So you can click on this and you will see what option are you wanting to provide, honor, full or the restricted. In the restricted, the user can only see the data, he cannot make any changes. If you wanting to, he can make some changes, so you can give the full access. And if you trust very well, then you can give honor access. So make sure to, according to me, you can give a full access, either restricted access. So suppose if I can send the full access, you can click on this, click on the add button and you will see the user are added. So after this, so you can ask to the user to he can accept the your request. So you can ask to he can open the Gmail, either he can receive the email Gmail, either he can open the directly search console. So let me open search as console, click on this, click on the first website and you can click on the start now and here it is. Yeah, so he will be able to access your dashboard and I can also show you. So if he can open the setting but he cannot add any new user, either or he cannot make any changes, so he can only able to verify or anything, but he cannot able to add any new user, either I can make any changes on this property, but he are able to remove a property on self. Okay, so overall this is the all the things how you can add a new user to your search console or how you can remove any added already added user. So okay, so overall this is the process for the adding and the removing the user from the search console. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details and the email. So whatever is this convenient for you, so you can get reach out to me. And for the last, it is a very friendly request. So if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please hit the subscribe and the like button, because these little things motivate me too much to I can provide the best and the best solution for you guys. Okay, so bye bye and take care.